In today's video, I'm going to teach you easy inventory management with ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to spin up an inventory system using ready-made templates and tailor it to how you work, all without starting from scratch. Begin in your ClickUp workspace, inside the space and folder where you plan to manage inventory. Make sure you're in the right location so your template lands in the correct place. Locate any task in that area, then open the three-dot menu to access the folder or list settings. This menu is your gateway to helpful tools, including templates. From there, choose the option to Browse Templates. This takes you into ClickUp's library of pre-built solutions designed to save time and standardize your setup. Give the Templates page a moment to load. Depending on your connection and how many options are available, it can take a little while. Once it's ready, use the search bar at the top and type Inventory. You'll see a range of templates, from basic stock tracking to more detailed setups that include suppliers, reorder points, and locations. Pick the template that best matches your workflow. A helpful approach is to preview what's included. Check the views, custom fields, and statuses listed on the template card so you know what you'll get. If you handle multiple product lines or warehouses, look for templates with fields like SKU, quantity on hand, location, and reorder threshold. When you've found the right fit, click Use Template. If you're prompted to proceed, confirm by clicking Use Template again to apply it to your selected folder or list. Once the template is added, you can customize your view before you dive into the details. Switch between list, board, or table to see your data the way you prefer. Show or hide columns to keep the essentials front and center, and drag fields like quantity, cost, or supplier into the order that makes sense for you. Filters help you focus. Try filtering by low stock to surface items that need attention, or group by location to see what's in each site at a glance. These changes tailor how you see information without altering the underlying structure of the template. And that's it. You're sorted. You've started from your workspace, opened the folder options, browsed and selected an inventory template, applied it, and customized your views so managing stock becomes clear and organized. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Until next time.